Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor part designs tutorial for exercise number 35. Click start to diskette and choose the top plan. So you can draw a rectangle, set for width 64 and for length 96. Click finish. Use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. Set for the extrusions 19 and select in the top face, create sketch. So you can draw rectangle, start from this point to the top point and set for the dimensions 16. Use the extrude again to convert into 3D. For the extrusion set 48, press enter. Okay, you can orbit and I will select at this edge. Use the fillet tools, set for the fillet value into 30. Click OK. Select in this space, create sketch, and you can draw rectangles. Start from this point, move into here, set for the distance from these lines 20, and for width set 40. Click finish. Use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. For the extrusions 28 and enter. Now in here I will select at this face and we create the triangle. Use the polygon tools, set for sides into 3. Okay, click in the center point, move to the bottom and set for the distance 20. Click OK. Now we can cut by using the extrude tools. Select at this face, change to the cut and use the stroke all. Click OK to set the cut object. Click on the side face and create sketch. You can draw for the line objects from this point. Move into here. Click at this point and then move to the top here. So you can orbit like this. Click finish and use the extrude tools. Change the direction. Set for extrusions 12. Okay. In this space, you can draw again, sketch the circle object. Set for the diameter 16 and create line, okay, from this point to the bottom here and click again. Use the trim tools to cut the circle object. Set the dimensions in this line and you can set for the distance 24. Now from this point to the bottom here you can set 20. Click finish and use the extrude again, cut, stroke all, select up this face, click OK. The last, you can fillet all edge. You click on the fillet tools and use these options to apply into all edge and set for the fillet radius into 2. Also in this bottom here. Click OK to set the fillet. And in here I will change view into perspective view. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor part designs tutorial for exercise number 35. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.